Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, there was chaos in Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth this afternoon due to widespread flooding in the town.
Residents expressed frustration because the problem has been ongoing for years.
Rashida Walker has details.
With Hurricane Melissa still fresh on their mind, citizens of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth were left stranded after a heavy bout of rain. Streets were flooded, some drivers were forced to abandon their vehicles, and the heavy waters flowed through the streets.
Well, we can't move now. Can't move at all. Yeah, wash up so long. And drinking like bus front. Now we just use the water now.
How can I go home now? We can't reach home. More than disaster right now. This is probably more than Melissa for what is happening in Santa Cruz right now.
Residents say there was an expectation that after Hurricane Melissa, work would have been fast-tracked to improve drainage in the town. And with the hurricane season 2 months away, they fear the worst. Councillor for the Santa Cruz Division, Christopher Williams, outlined the areas usually affected by flooding.
We have Institution Drive, we have Coke Drive, you have Main Street, Santa Cruz, you have Market Street, you have Pagan Drive, basically the entire town of Santa Cruz.
He says the municipal corporation alone cannot address the problem.
This afternoon is another prime example that Santa Cruz is in need of a comprehensive drainage plan. This is where we'll have to have the municipal corporation in collaboration with the National Works Agency, because the corporation don't have the funding to do the type of drainage plan that the town of Santa Cruz will need to address these grave concerns we're having when it rains in Santa Cruz. And we see the flooding as we're having right now.
Mr. Williams was, however, quick to point out that discussions are ongoing to find a permanent solution to the problem.
I've been having the necessary dialogue with the National Works Agency to see how best we can, address certain things. Then we arrange for a consultation that is in the making, a meeting with the business personnel in Santa Cruz and other stakeholders, right? So we saw NAA had a team coming down from Kingston over the past 2 weeks to do some assessment in the town of Santa Cruz.
Rashida Walker for TVJ News.